this carpet reminds us of, oh, the Cirque show here. This is the room we got. Okay, first glance, first impression, amazing. For some reason we did get an accessible room, so I guess they were just available. We've got these individual little carpets, gorgeous countertops. Lots of countertop space, which I like, and there's actually 2 sinks so we can get ready together. They do have the shared toiletries. I feel like this is just the way of the future now, so. This mirror is gorgeous. I love all these gold accents. They've got outlets and makeup mirror or shaving mirror with LEDs. Awesome. Got the toilet. Much nicer art than Excalibur. Walk-in shower. Again, the shared toiletries. And because this is the accessible room, we have the bench. But I honestly like that for shaving. Love this art again. This almost looks like a kiwi bird. Okay, I haven't had a nice hotel bath in a while, and I may have to do that here. It also comes with a little bath salt, and it looks like a loofah sponge, yeah. So you get a loofah. So they're just asking you to use this gorgeous tub. And some more body wash, full-length mirror, and no bathroom barn doors. Let's go to the view first. Oh my goodness. Did you see the pools?
Yeah.
I mean, we have a view of the conservatory.
Yeah.
Okay, that is freaking cool.
I saw it, I was like, oh my god.
I mean, it's not like you can actually really see it, but it's just cool to know. Because sometimes when you're in these huge hotels, you kind of don't even know where you are in the property. But wow. Those pools are calling my name.
And you've got a mountain view too.
And we have like, I guess not strip view, but like strip adjacent view. Like you have a view of stuff, not an air conditioning unit, the pools, the conservatory technically, the Rio over there. Just supposed to be hitting their comeback these days. Yeah, we can see the palms.
Then we can see Cosmo from here.
And yeah, we've got a view of the Cosmo. I'm very impressed so far. This is the room key, super cute. And Sam's even has a different design.
The buttons open and close the curtains.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
So right now we're closing.
We'll do sheer. I do love that. So in the morning, you can open up the darker one, but have the sheer so you can adjust to the light. We've got this very nice mid-century table and chair. Looks really nice. We've got good lighting from this lamp. I love all the teal and gold kind of motifs. Let's check out the closet. A light in the closet. And I was not expecting robes. These look so nice. Waffle knit robes. And I can't speak to it because I'm not using a wheelchair, but it does look like this is a lot of space. I love the details on this side table with the bronze.
You can lock the fridge.
Oh wow.
But if you look in here,
it's obviously.
We actually do have a personal shelf.
Okay, so you can at least throw in like an energy drink or your own liquor or whatever you want, a water bottle. A very small leftover, like if you want to take dessert from a hotel. You could probably fit it up there.
Yeah.
I actually really like that because they're doing something.
Yeah.
I hope this one isn't too off center. But yeah, I mean, good options here in the minibar if you use it.
Yeah.
I don't really know anyone that does. I always like to look at stuff and it's such a temptation to not. So if you're desperate, they do have some Fijis and some chips. What are these? Oh my gosh, they offer on the minibar some melatonin and vitamin C, so some supplements if you need. $51 for the love kit. Oh, these do have CBD. That's 80.
100.
That's 100. How much is a Fiji?
Fiji is $24.
$24 for a big Fiji, so definitely don't recommend using that.
$16.
Oh my.
The sour gummies are $23.
I mean, that's desperation. It's not even like, oh, that's a little overpriced.
Yeah.
That's you haven't eaten in 2 days. There's outlets and USB right next to the bed, which is amazing for accessibility and for me. So this one controls the overhead lighting. So that's the tour of the Bellagio comped room. This was an accessible room, and we also found the safe at the last second. So it is the first drawer in the nightstand.